Kia ora, I'm Mali Ning, and these are the latest M News New Zealand headlines. A 5.1 earthquake struck south of Stewart Island on Monday morning, followed by a smaller tremor. GeoNet recorded the quake at 5:23 a.m., centered 10 kilometers northwest of Snares Island at a depth of 5 kilometers. A smaller 4.4 quake closer into the Snares Island was recorded a few minutes later and was at a depth of 33 kilometers, GeoNet said. About 20 people reported feeling the quakes. A Qantas flight headed for Melbourne has departed from and returned to Christchurch twice in one day in what the airline says are unrelated events. The Boeing 737 first took off at about 6:45 a.m. on Monday before turning around over the Tasman Sea and returning to Christchurch Airport, and then again at about 9:40. The plane turned around again back to Christchurch, this time due to unusual smell in the cabin. Emergency services are responding to a serious incident in a rural area of central Hawke's Bay. Police confirmed they received a call at about 1:30 p.m. on Monday about an incident on Torrere Road, a rural road in the Flemington area. Police did not have any immediate information about possible injuries. Let's go live now to our emergency correspondent, Emma Smith. Good morning to you, Emma. What do we know? Emma Smith, thank you. 2 teenagers have been arrested after a robbery at an Auckland dairy last month. Police responded to a robbery at a Northcote dairy just before 8:30 p.m. on Saturday, November 30. One youth will appear in the Manukau District Court on Monday, January 6. The other was due to appear in the Waitakere District Court today. High seas forecast in the Cook Strait yesterday evening have disrupted multiple sailings. KiwiRail has issued a warning to passengers to brace for a tough ride, with a southerly change expected to cause sea swells of more than 4 meters from around 7 p.m. Let's go live now to Emma Smith, our emergency correspondent. Good morning to you, Emma. What do we know this morning? Emma Smith, thank you. And tomorrow marks 1 year since the 2023 Sichuan earthquake. On December 18, 2023, at around 11:59 p.m., an earthquake with a magnitude of 5.9, 6.2 struck the Gansu province in China. Let's go live now to our Asia correspondent, Jeremy Sutton. Good morning to you, Jeremy. What do we know? Okay, Jeremy Sutton, thank you. And those are the latest M News New Zealand headlines. For more and to stay up to date, head to mnews.co.nz. Kia pai, have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye! The time now is 6:16 a.m. Kia pai, have a good day.